Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Madison, and if not, welcome back. Today I have a room tour for you guys of Caribbean Beach. Interestingly, we are in one of the pirate rooms. It just so happens that that's what worked out for Ken's discount when we were booking. So we're in a pirate room. We are in the Trinidad buildings in room 3610, so 3610, and I'm going to take you in and we're going to check it out. So let's go. Alright, so we are in room 3610. The nature of the room tour is this, as you can tell. But we're just gonna go inside. These rooms make me laugh, honestly. So, a bit dark when you come in, but as you can tell, this room is heavily pirate themed. So we've got two queen size beds here in these boats, pirate ships, I guess, and we happen to have a lock off, which is just there. And then the flooring is also very heavily pirate themed. You can see over here we've got like a map of the world. And then we've got just a table over here that's compass themed, table and chairs, and we have a view just out into a little seating area outside, and there's actually a pool near us as well. We've got a mirror here and very old Port Royal lanterns. Hello everyone. And then of course, like any Disney hotel room, you've got the big TV with resort TV on, and then these handy crates that are here are just drawers, so they're nice deep drawers, and there's 3 of them here which you can access. And then in our cute little barrel of whiskey or rum or whatever this is supposed to be, you have a mini fridge in there. So that's the mini fridge there, and then on top, Keurig style Cuisinart coffee machine there, and then your typical ice bucket and your little bits of Joffrey's coffee and tea here. We've got another chest, I guess you would call this, which is a nice little table. I don't know, it doesn't actually open, so you can just kind of use it for storage for your stuff. And speaking of storage, there's no storage under the beds because they are pirate ships, obviously. So you're sleeping on the ship, there's no storage under there. Sorry, Cameron. Then we've got this curtain to the bathroom, which is very spooky and will probably scare me in the middle of the night. And over here we've got, which I actually really like, some artwork of Jack Sparrow. It's kind of hard to see with the glare, but Jack Sparrow and some of the other pirates from the Pirates of the Caribbean attraction in Magic Kingdom. Over by the bedside table, I'll just show you. This room is pretty dated, I'm not gonna lie. There's a very dated phone, and then you've got 4 plug sockets and 2 USB ports. So that's not too bad, actually. There's some good access there, but just the one bedside table. Then into the bathroom. Oh, we've lost focus. There we go. Into the bathroom, you've got the Jack and Jill style sink, and then plenty of space under the sink, but nothing that pulls out here, so that's kind of tough space-wise. So you do have, just by the sinks, an extra pillow and blanket, and then you've got your iron, your ironing board, and your racks to hang things up. And then we've got some of the H2O products just here as well, and one of those fun mirrors that if you've ever watched any of my room tours, you know I hate very much. There's also 2 plug sockets just there, and then standard bathroom unit. So you've got your toilet, you've got some hooks for, or racks for your towels, and then you've got some nautical shower curtains here with the H2O bottles on the wall, the refillable bottles. Now you've got actually a nice little ledge here by the tub, so if you need to shave your legs or sit children down or something like that, that's kind of handy. I haven't seen that in too many Disney rooms. And then just a standard shower head up there, so nothing too exciting. But that is it. We've got a safe over here, which I've actually forgotten to show you, but that's the extent of the room. So if you've watched this far, thank you very much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you ever stay at Caribbean Beach, I hope you have a really great time. See you real soon.